Hello, beautiful moms, and welcome back to Mother's Corner, your safe space for support, advice, empowerment, and encouragement. Today, we are diving into the basics of breastfeeding, starting with breastfeeding positions, latching tips, to common mistakes to avoid when breastfeeding. Whether you are a first time mom or looking for a refresher, I am here to guide you today through. Kindly subscribe and let's navigate motherhood together. Now let's get started. Let's talk about the importance of proper positioning. Proper positioning during breastfeeding is very essential for ensuring one, your comfort as a mother, effective, effective breast milk transfer, and prevents issues like nipple pain or poor milk supply. Remember this, dear mama. The foundation of a successful breastfeeding starts with a proper positioning. So now, let me share with you key principles of proper positioning. Number one, alignment. Ensure that the baby's head, the neck, and spine are in a straight line. The baby's tummy should face the mother's chest, often referred to as tummy to tummy. Number two, support. Always use pillows, cushions, or armrests to support your baby's weight. This will reduce strain on your arms and shoulders. Support your baby's neck and shoulders gently with your hand, ensuring that their head can tilt slightly back. Tip 3, comfort. Sit or lie in a position where you feel relaxed and supported. Avoid ouncing over the baby. Use a chair with good back support or lie down for positions like side lying. Latching. Ensure the baby is brought to the breast, not the breast to the baby, to avoid straining of your back. Always bring the baby to the breast. Wait for your baby's mouth to be open wide before helping them latch into the breast. Now, let's look at the top best breastfeeding positions. Position 1, the cradle hold. This is the position where you place your baby's head in the crook of your arm with their body turned towards you. Support their head and neck with your hand while their tummy faces yours. Cross cradle hold. This position is similar to the cradle hold, but you use the opposite arm to support the baby's head. This position offers better control for helping the baby latch. The football hold. You tuck your baby under your arm on the same side as the breast you're nursing from. Support their neck and head with your hand while their body rests along your forearm. This position is good for mothers with large breasts, those recovering from a cesarean section, or for newborns, small babies. The side lying position. Lie on your side with your baby also lying on their side facing you. This position is ideal for nighttime feedings or if you need rest while feeding. The laid back or biological nurturing position. In this position, recline comfortably with your baby laying on your chest or stomach. This position encourages a natural latch using gravity. How do you know that you've achieved a proper positioning? These are the signs you look for. Sign number 1, your baby's mouth is wide open with lips flanked outwards. The chin touches the breast and the nose is close but not pressed into the breast. Sign number 3 to know that you have achieved a proper positioning is that you feel a gentle tugging sensation and not pain when you are breastfeeding. Another sign is that your baby's cheeks appear full and are rounded during feeding. And also you know that you have a proper positioning when you hear or you can see the baby swallowing milk. Always ensure that your baby's head, neck, and the spine are aligned. This makes it easier for the baby to latch and feed effectively. So here are some tips to help you latch. Always experiment with these positions to find what works best for you and your baby. Use a breastfeeding pillow for added support if it's needed. And note that if breastfeeding is painful, seek guidance from a lactation consultant or adjust position and latch again. Always remember, it is all about bringing your baby to the breast and not the other way around. Let's talk about the importance of proper latching. Remember that a proper latch is one of the most important aspects of breastfeeding. It ensures your baby gets enough milk and helps prevent nipple pain or damage. Here is how to ensure you achieve a proper latch. Number 1, start with skin to skin contact. Hold your baby close with their nose level with your nipple. This helps them naturally seek out the breast. Wait for a wide open mouth. When your baby opens their mouth wide, bring them to your breast, ensuring their lower lip is far from the base of your nipple. How do you ensure a deep latch? Your baby's mouth should cover not just the nipple, but also a large part of the areola. Their lips should be flanked outwards like a fish. Proper latching helps your baby to get the milk they need while protecting your nipples from soreness or cracking. You know it is a good latch if you're feeling a gentle tugging sensation instead of pain. Let's talk about some common mistakes when breastfeeding and how to avoid them. Mistake 1 is a shallow latch. If your baby only latches on the nipple, it can cause pain and insufficient milk transfer. So always encourage a deeper latch by adjusting their position. Poor posture. Avoid slouching or leaning forward. Use pillows or cushions to support your baby and maintain a comfortable posture. Skipping hunger cues. Watch for early hunger signs like rooting, sucking on hands, or smacking lips. Waiting until your baby is crying can make it very difficult to find a perfect latch. Ignoring pain. Breastfeeding should not be painful. If you feel pain, it is okay to unlatch and try again. But if you experience persistent pain after trying different positions, consult a lactation consultant or a healthcare provider. To wrap this up, here are some quick tips for breastfeeding successfully while enjoying with no pain. Always practice patience. Remember, it's a learning curve for both you and your baby. Be kind to yourself and give your body grace. Hydrate and nourish yourself. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet to support milk production. Seek support. Join a breastfeeding group or connect with a lactation consultant or other moms for guidance. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Trust your instincts. Every baby is unique, and what works for one may not work for another, and that is okay. So trust your instincts and follow your baby cues. Remember, hydration and patience are your best friends. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these tips help you feel more confident and prepared for your breastfeeding journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other moms, and don't forget to subscribe for more motherhood tips. Let us know how your journey is going on the comment section. You've got this, mama, and you're enough. You're stronger than you know. Take care of yourself and your little one. Bye bye. See you next time.